Boo! Oh, hey, sixth graders. I hope I didn't scare you too much. Hey, it's Mr. Kerr, and welcome to week 11. And yes, it is Halloween week, so scariest week of the year. And so let's get going. Hey, before we get going, week 11. Please go check your grade book. Make sure you've seen all your messages, emails, text messages, all that good stuff. Check your grade book and all of that. It's going to be a little bit of a light week, so if you have anything missing, need to go back and finish anything up, this would be a good week to do it. So also want to remind everyone about the ballot extra credit. The deadline for that is coming up very soon. Election day is coming up, and your chance to get some extra credit participating in real live citizenship engagement. That is coming up. So here we are in Unit 1, Week 11. And being a Halloween week, I thought we'd look into myths and the age of exploration. Ties in with Halloween real nice. Some of the sea monsters and myths and things that we're going to be looking at. So real quick, you have this week 11 exit ticket quiz. Please take that as a pretest on Monday so you know what the important information is we're looking for. And then, of course, I'll open that up for you to take again on Friday at the end of the week so that you make sure you get 100% on that quiz. But take it on Monday just as a pre-quiz. Doesn't matter if you get them right or wrong or anything like that. Okay? So going through this, you have this quick little Halloween assignment. Real quick, even if you and your family don't celebrate Halloween, this assignment, you'll see that there are lots of alternatives to completing it that have nothing to do with Halloween. So everyone can participate. We're going to be talking some more about the age of exploration, sea monsters, myths leading to explorations, all that great stuff. Sea captains from the New World and the Old World, a little bit of both, talking about some of Columbus's voyages, and then we have another discussion board and, of course, the quiz at the end. So any questions, please let me know. We'll be seeing some of you on Wednesday for our HalloWoWeen and all that good stuff. So have a great week. I will see you soon. Thanks.